Mama atena se amo afisha pa yasasi afefufuru mu happy Easter baby a wohwe yen bia no yemokwaba edase ye papa so wa join in wo trending stories on OhenebaMedia TV on YouTube trending stories bia ekoso bia no yede emma wonim say Vodafone Ghana Music Award one of the biggest award scheme Ghana edema musicians in our country here, those who have worked hard within the decade and also within the year na no ni gina so na ya ball na ba so na ya show mu kran ma adwuma na omo ye na atimi atumpon. Now let me take you back to 2019, 5 years ago, when Vodafone Ghana Music Award so no in kwasem bebre and of course okay the rival between Shatta, Wale and Stonebwoy. So Refia, this is what happened at the Vodafone Ghana Music Award in 2019. Yes, some put the same way a course between Shatta, Wale and Stonebwoy. Abra your ball reggae dancehall artist of the year said Stonebwoy and Enyano. Shatta Felice said he has been cheated. And in this case, basa ebebre and of course or said ya ugusu our screen is from then on Vodafone Ghana Music Award has not been the same as you see any mu any j mu ahokeka any the way atmosphere everything and the way as it now telecommunicating assistant said the medical man and na Vodafone Ghana Music Award now telecommunicating assistant ba telecel into about Telesom Ghana Music Award 2025 Basso. We are in 2024, so 2024-2025 edition. Anna Basso nominee, Abba Abonti, and I am here to review for you now. So your favorite musicians are what more appear in the various categories. Now, face on here who say at the end of the day, why and go home with a plug, and now face on why so. Anna Ebewe Ewo. So now quickly on your screen, let me take you through the Telesom Ghana Music Award 2025 year Basso Ewo. I've started with the Best High Life Artist of the Year category. And Oshe Best High Life Artist of the Year nominee category. Now we have Abina Ewum and we have Akwabwa Kofi Kenata. And we have Afra Zuyamaya, Fra, honestly, on so by Tony Manabe, and we have Stonebwoy, and a Stonebwoy, and I want to come using picture, and Zudian. You see, Bibia Moya Yamunya, but to Namushe, Stonebwoy, and all the come using picture, so Stonebwoy, I've been a Stonebwoy to high life of Krumha, Munyas and Quas 7 Namushi. So, best high life artist of the year category, to me, Mimisha category way more, hands down. Kofi Kenata says a chromo on quite a bunyan sanyo. A chromo high life artist of the year. Maybe the Messi Kofi Kenata and the bunyan sanyo. And the award way, so one farmer no Kofi Kenata Akwabwa or me no Dubenya Bia me, I am cool with it. So if you are a call best hip life or hip hop song of the year, tell us so. Ghana Music Award 2025 nominee Babonti. We have Agradaa, Blacksherry, we have Ghpage, Sankodie, Medica, and Kempaluta. Medica dear, or no, because I knew one or Bonyas, I knew no book room higher than the Babacan hip hop. Because your boy, we are Nancy, or sorry, I'll go beef, unnecessary beef, one or create or social media. And so I don't know the Medica Babacan hip hop and hip life song of the year. And I think Kempaluta have really worked hard, the annual review when Kempaluta has really worked hard or they hate Abba was sad the broken heart back when you was sad about the woman at the amount so what tears here ain't sa category and as a nominee way Kempaluta first the who screen so now I'm not ready waje Sheriff so ajibi Ghpage so ya kuma se fo ni bia Infant Chamber. Bisa Kodia is a legend. We all know he's a landlord in the music industry. For medical, the Mumpian and Chamber because only Omunyas and Yumbia will Kruma. To me, that is my opinion. But with this nominee category, I think I'll go in for Kempaluta. Well, you can also share your opinion under the comment section, and then you also know your opinion on there. Now, Yanko, best high life song. Best high life song. With this nominee category, we have Camido. On the category, we have Adina featuring Kofi Kenata. As you seen on your screen, we have Mrado and Famille. We also have Stone Boy in this category featuring what? One or Medium minim the on our boss anyum no crampo. We also have Aquabwa, we have Kofi Kenata here, we have Kevin Boy, we have Kwame Eugene, and we have Fra featuring Anaya Ofuri Ata Omuzombo Nyum Dabe, and we have Wendy Shea. Wendy Shea a high life song of the most of them are grown when he's with you. Mo pobi di na high life song of the year Wendy Shea. No Wendy Shea no papa be na abu okrum ha. Wouldn't the be high life song of the year? Said you I was screening. To me, if I'm going in for this nominee or category, I think I'll still choose Aquabwa and Kofi Kenata or probably Kwame Eugene with this category, depending on their song. But I'm going for Kofi Kenata or Aquabwa. Any of these two, I'm first nominee category where enyem nwanwa, and then also if I'm rather so fa enyem nwanwa, Stone Boy so far enyem nwanwa, Kwame Eugene far enyem nwanwa, and then Kevin Boy, yes, Kevin Boy has been on and off for a while, and also enyem nwanwa. Adina has been one of our favorites, and she has really worked hard as well. And also Kamido, one way or the other, she sounds like a Nigerian, and probably his songs has been blowing, and then has been having airplays as well. And so far, now when the shade, yeah, I think it's a bit into the infant and Tunchan Kakra. Review of Vodafone Ghana Music Award. Tell us Ghana Music Award 2025 edition. Now we have Best Music Video of the year 2025. We have Stoneball, we have Black Sherry, we have Kwame Eugene, we have Varovsky, we have Scout Evans, we have Sharif one more time, we have Smoke. We also have Stoneball and we have Kwame Eugene also in this best categories as well. So with this, well, you can also share your side opinion on this best music video here on the Telecel Ghana Music Award now here your baby. But to me here, the before Hebiana, whether being Stone Boy or whether being Sharif with the music video or no I title with Paradise. Yes, that music video is nice. Kwame Eugene here is also nice. Well, you can also share your opinion on that. Now, Yanko, best hip hop song of the year. Best hip hop song of the year. We have our time by Sarkodie. We also have Jackie featuring JB Scare. We also have Medica. Medica said, Medica, yeah, no, I don't want to talk about Medica. We also have Amrado here, the hardest song here. We also have Kweku Smoke, Black Sheriff with Yaya, and we have the Kumasi Boy. So, what was the name? Strongman, Dear God, with the best hip hop song of the year. The Obefaso, it's not bad. But Jackie, yeah, I don't know, Jackie, you wait to me a hip hop song of the year because Jackie doesn't sound a hip hop, artist to me, but probably Jackie featuring JP with hip hop music video or hip hop song of the year. Well, tell us a Ghana Music Award. Share your opinion with us. Now, let's go to best hip life song. Yes. Best hip life song. And I was screen. So we have Ochame Kwame featuring Ken Paluta with Inshallah. Yes, I think it's a nice music, nice song as well. We also have J Bat featuring Kweku DMC and then Sky SDW. We also have Tratex with Ose Krumsi. Na mumwa Jimiana. Ose Krumsi Kenidia, we papa bena or no then the best hip life song of the year. Tratex. Trates. Kwasi anyumu we had a Timi Baba hip life song of the year. Now people be nominating for award that was a cruise can no Trates with uncle much miana. Anyway, let young anymore. We also have Yahete remix by Kim Paluta, as I said earlier one time. King Paluta have really worked hard, and this song has been one of our, App Store Kobia has been having airplay back to back. Yeah, hate it, yeah, hate it, yeah, hate it. Well, offer our category where about chatters here. So, chatter, what is the meaning of chatters? Kumasi boys, someone with pieces, yes, and chatters, Now we have best African song artist of the year, best African artist of the year. Tell us all. Ghana Music Award 2025. We have Tgma, and we have Rima, we have Asake, we have Burna Boy, we have Davido, and the rest. The only person I know is Davido and Burna Boy. With the rest, I don't know them. I only know Davido and Burna Boy. And I'm cool with it because it's the African best artist in that nominee category. Now we have Afrobeat song. With this, we have Kiddy Stoneboy, we have Fancy Goddamn Kwame Eugene, we have Benzi, and we also have Varosky and Kwame Eugene. We have Olive the Boy and Goodson. So I want to go about Goodson on my school for no. We have Mr. Dew and Murphy. We have Eugene with Monica. Monica has been, Ghanaian's favorite and has been having an airplay back to back, for the year review. And so Monica no fa enya me nwanwa anase fancy Ghana one shot that man award in the previous years muhu no mobo no fa no so man. We have best Afro pop song of the year. Yes, because fancy award be outside kan bode man no bode ma patapa na sa fancy mu chiti. That's two guys muhu no mobo no money bi na ono sire mu ha na o hye no nye is best Afro beat or Afro pop artist. Yes, best Afro beat or Afro pop artists. With this category, we have Jackie Camidor, we have Kiddy King Promise, Jill Efia, and when she has happy more happy. As with the movement about could be best Afrobeat or Afro pop artist. When she and you may anyway, with the moment if you want it, with the more money be. But with this category, Jackie Fabia enye me nwanwa King Promise fa enye me but when they say there emi hunya sanyum bia asababa wa no bo. Now let's come to the Christian world. Best gospel song of the year. We have Patient Nyakon, Mabel Lottery, Nasi, we have President Music and also Bamudabe. Hey, musumu yebio. And we have PCA Esther, we have Scout Evans, we have Dinah Hamilton, and Joyce Blessing. Joyce Blessing, no, broken heart or recover but the back could be boom and sing. You'll be unpaid now, I hear you. Bang, 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 bang. So I'm not boy nine, kind of for any job. And then we also have Patient Nyako. Patient Nyako, no, take away, and you probably know that about on the about better category, Tears of Joy. I think Peace here Esther has been in the system and then with back-to-back hate and hate. Nasi also was in the system with back-to-back. Dinah Hamilton has not been bad with the recent songs as well, under the year review as well. And with Patient out, Mabel out, with PCA in, Nasi in, Dinah in, and Blessing in, I'm good to go. We are wrapping up on the international collaboration of the year. We have Jackie, JB, and then also we have Ken Promise, Young John. We also have Stone Boy. In this category, we also have Kwame Eugene. We also have Sharif. We have Sarkodie and Ken Promise. I think with this category, international collabo of the year, no doubt about that if Sharif picked this very category because he has really worked hard under the year of review. He has been worked hard to collaborate with international artists in the year review into a far. Now, best reggae dancer of the year. Ahana Shatta could think was a the year 2019, 5 years ago, on Stone Boy. Your mama, this award scheme no any relevant tibium. It's answer on no feel is Omuchitina ewo when him say I was some bunya na Shatta and can because I'm because some DA in 2019 intino. Award net free in some Stone Boys ye free in some with this Yemfanen can hobium. Now, category nasa about best reggae dancehall. Best reggae or dancehall song. We have DSL. We have Kofi Kinat. Kofi, wait, you Mr. Okay, so Kofi Abo. If you come love a reggae dancer, so I think it's not. It's Kofi is like our reggae dancer there. Here, radical apaya, bro. We also have Stoneball, and we all know Raskuku and Stoneball has been our favorite Samini when it comes to best reggae or dancehall song. Na bra Kofi ne one makade there. Yeah, Kofi Oprio. So these are the few nominees I've had in my decks here. I think the remaining one, the second, phase of this Telisol Vodafone Ghana or Telisol Ghana Music Award 2025 edition. Ebesa Bana, yeah, the breakdown on Esa de Abema. But few ones here, Mediama way. What is your side opinion or take on this very specific destiny? Share your opinions with us here in the comment section. The one way, when I who say, obetimi I crown the best of the plug at the end of the day. Tell us Ghana music nominee. And check nominee jam no. And so everybody so yeah, the whole breakdown so at the every So keep following us and I will be keep updating you with Telesol Ghana Music Award 2025, 2024, 25 edition here on Bema Plus and Bema TV here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more.